This is a straw. It's about the size of your average child's airway. This is a pea stuck in your child's airway. Do you know how to get it out?
Mom!
Hi, I'm Tammy Marshall from the Mummamedic. I am a registered paramedic and mum to two wildly lovable boys. I'm here today to give you life-saving advice for busy mums. Now, if you want to get more of my content, what I need you to do is hit that subscribe bell down there. Let's get started. Hi mums, this is one of my more practical videos. What I need you to do is pause for me, run to the toy room, grab your most life-size doll that you have in the house, come back and we can get started. Okay mums, so your child has started to choke. They're looking at you, they are coughing. This one, what I want you to do, if your child is coughing, we're gonna keep encouraging that cough. Chances are it's a partial obstruction. Partial obstruction means we just have a tiny piece of food caught in the airway. Encouraging coughing sometimes can be enough to bring that up. Now, if your child is at the point where they have a full obstruction, meaning that the foreign body has completely blocked their airway, they will not be able to get air in, nor will they be able to cough air out. This is the point at which you want to administer chest thrusts and back blows. I'm going to demonstrate that technique in a moment. So what I need you to do is get your doll and you can practice along with me. First, we're going to start with back blows. We are going to be aiming right in between the two shoulder blades with the palm of our hand. We're going to do it in an upward motion to try and help dislodge that. We're going to be giving 5 of those back blows. So to administer back blows, what I want you to do is shape a trigger position, hold the child's jaw, and support their neck with the other fingers. You're going to use gravity for this. What we're going to do is pop the child over your knee, slightly angle them down. Remember, we are aiming for the space between their shoulder blades, back of the hand, in an upward motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you need to do that with a reasonable amount of force. Don't be scared to hurt them. Remember, your child is choking. Now, I've come from experience. I've had to do that 3 times on 2 of my kids. Each time I've been able to dislodge it within about the 3rd back blow. So what if our back blows are not working? What we need to do is, after we've done our 5 back blows, you're going to turn the child over, popping them down on a hard surface. We're going to use 2 fingers. We are going to put that in the center of their chest. So we're using 2 fingers like we do for CPR. 1 hand if the child is a lot larger. So make sure you watch my other videos that will explain CPR and what sort of hands to be using. We're going to find the center of the sternum, that is that bit of bone here in the middle of the chest. And we're going to push down 5 times like we're doing CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to continue doing that. At this point, this is when we need to be calling 000. If there's somebody else that can call, get them to do that. If not, you're going to put your phone on speaker and you're going to start that phone call. The operator on the phone will give you further advice what to do. So after you've done 5 back blows, we're going to do 5 chest thrusts. We're going to continue back blows, chest thrusts, back blows, chest thrusts until the ambulance arrives. So if chest thrusts and back blows are not working and the patient becomes unconscious, we are now going to start CPR. Make sure you watch my other videos that'll give you in-depth information on how to perform CPR on your child, no matter what their age. Now, you've just watched my video on choking. Thank you very much. I hope you got some information on it. What I'd like you to do now is check out some of my other videos, in particular CPR. CPR for the age range that your child is. It is such an invaluable skill. We need to make sure that all of us mums know how to do CPR.
Mom!
Hey mums, if you liked that video, what I want you to do is go and follow my accounts, get my content straight into your feed. Then I want you to practice those skills. You might need them one day. Most importantly, what I want you to do is share. Get my content out there. You just might help save a life.